Hey everyone, Rob from the future here to tell you that all the footage you're about to see is from last August, from when we took delivery of the Panel Pro and set up this entire finishing line. So I'm going to hide a few things here in the background because of course we've already changed a few things since filming. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the Panel Pro running and see how it works. As you're aware, we always strive for more efficiency. Spray booth, all that's gone. The oven, gone. All that, no longer here. It's all in preparation for the next level of automation that we're going to be moving towards. All the automated equipment that's going to be filling this entire area behind me. So the spray equipment had to move somewhere. If you've been following along with our videos, then you might notice right over there. There's an opening in the wall. Let's head over to the other side of the building and check out where we moved all the spray equipment. We just took delivery of our new automated sanding machine, the Panel Pro by CNC Automation. So let's check it out. Today's video is all about seeing how efficient we can actually sand doors. So let's go through how much we can sand, how quick we can sand. Let's go through the setup. Let's take a look at this machine in depth. Well, here it is. On the other side of the expansion, right down the middle of the building, heading that way. We've moved the Chefla right here. We had a little space where we would rack doors in the previous version. Now we have a walled off area here. I'm going to take you inside and show you a real special thing about that. As well as down here, there's a tunnel. We used to have an oven. Something special about that tunnel as well. Let's take a look. I'm inside the off-gas room, which is also where we hooked up all of our pumps and mixing station. Fumes are all going to be gassed out. Still getting set up in here, but as they exit the Chefla, it's going to head down this conveyor for another 30 years along the wall, which acts as our off-gassing vent to circulate the air in here and just get the doors off gas before they head into drying, which is the tunnel I pointed to previously. So it goes along here into this tunnel that we've made. Oh, what's on top of the tunnel? All of our sunspot units. That's right, this tunnel is not just a conveyor to get the doors all the way out of the Chefla. They get off gassed and they actually go through this oven tunnel that we built so that the doors will come off 100% cured. The doors will just exit out of here, fully dry. Keep all my empty carts right there, ready to grab. And there we are, look all the way down there. Still work in progress on this side of the shop, but this side of the shop's coming out real nice. With the oven and the whole spray line being installed, it's gonna really increase our efficiency. Plus we've got it out of the way for when all the new equipment arrives on the other side. We can place doors on the infeed conveyor, and with the set of a program, we can have the sanders jump in and sand just the rails or just the panel or the panel and the rails of a cabinet door running down the line. There's also a laser at the front where if you set it in automated mode, it would measure the rail of the door and then drop the sanders in automatically. So once it measures the door and the size of the panel, it will then know how large the inside of the pocket is on a shaker door, and the machine knows to jump the sanders in and out at the exact times. So here you can see that the 4 sanders are jumping in and out and sanding all these different doors. Each sander can be set with different paper. So for instance, our first sander is 180, the second sander is 220, and the last 2 sanders are both at 320. And that's so we get a progressive sand on our pieces. We sand heavy and then finer and finer. There's also a brush at the end with a blower, so it gets every little nook and cranny of your door style and then blows it off. From start to finish, this finishing line is about 130 feet long, maybe 140, give or take. From the start to the finish, it's about a 14-minute travel time. And that gives you a raw door, sanded, primered, off-gassed, and then cooked, ready for another coat or your top coat if you're running only one primer. We run two, so we can immediately grab it off the end, throw it back at the beginning again, and we'll have 2 coats of primer ready for the top coat within 30 minutes. That being said, because we run multiple pumps on the Chefla, we can actually switch over from primer to our top coat in minutes. Meaning, when the 2 primers are done, we could then put our doors back in at the beginning at this Panel Pro, run them through for the top coat, and you're looking at from raw to a completely finished, cured, ready to hang on the cabinet, a door in 45 minutes flat. So, I'm sorry it took so long, but we finally put the footage together, and I hope you guys enjoyed touring the new finishing line as of last summer. That's it for my tour of the finishing line, so see you in the next one.